You've seen the headlines, NASA, they're hiding something, or NASA lied about everything. But what if those headlines are onto something? What if the truth really is out there and NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, is actively deceiving us? Let's look at the two parts of this claim. Starting with the name itself, is the name NASA a hidden meaning? Officially, NASA equals National Aeronautics and Space Administration, founded in 1958, replacing an ACA, the National Advisory Council for Aeronautics. But critics point out the similarity to the Hebrew verb nasha, which can mean to deceive or beguile. Now, in some alt history and religious conspiracy communities, NASA equals deception is taken literally, suggesting the name was chosen deliberately as a wink to insiders. While this sounds intriguing, there's no evidence for it. Just because a word happens to share a root doesn't mean it was intentionally chosen to deceive. Is NASA actively hiding or destroying data? This gets more interesting. Here are for common claims. 1. Photos and videos. In 2004, NASA released this famous image of Earth. It looks fake. How could such a high-resolution image exist? In 2018, they admitted some Earth photos are artistic composites, not raw snapshots. Critics take this further, alleging NASA fakes everything. Many space images are composites. Satellites capture narrow wavelength data in strips and layers, which are stitched together into full-color images. Critics say that's cheating, but NASA says it's scientific visualization. Take this image of Saturn's moon Titan. NASA combined infrared data with visible light to show Titan in full color. Critics say that's faking space. But without that, we wouldn't be able to see Titan in anything but black and white. We wouldn't know its colorful haze. So is this faking space or just science? You decide, Datu. The moon landings. Was humanity's greatest achievement also its greatest lie? Conspiracy theorists say the 1969 Apollo moon landing was staged. They point to what seems like a film studio-style footage. Waving flags in the wind, missing stars in the sky, and odd lighting. Claiming these are signs of a hoax, NASA insists the landings are real, saying the flag telescopic pole was designed to keep it out of the way of astronauts. And the wavy effect is an optical illusion caused by telescopic rippling. Plus, tons of physical moon rocks and ongoing lunar missions make a giant hoax unlikely. 3. Earth's shape. Is the world really round or is it flat? Flat earthers say NASA fakes images of our planet to hide the true shape. They point to these famous blue marble photos taken from space showing Earth as a globe. But critics say they're dissimilar. They allege NASA copies and pastes cloud patterns to make Earth look round. NASA has admitted some Earth photos are composites, not raw snapshots. They added clouds to match the artistic vision with the scientific reality. Flat earthers see this as giving up the plot, proof that Earth isn't a globe, and they have admitted it's pear-shaped. 4. Space censorship. Live feeds from the International Space Station. They're cut when UFOs or other anomalies appear. And indeed, NASA streams have mysteriously glitched out during odd sightings. Fueling suspicions. Are they hiding evidence of extraterrestrial life, advanced technology? Or are these glitches just that? Technical problems and otherwise heroic efforts to explore our universe. Why do people believe NASA is deceiving us? There are several reasons. First, NASA is a government agency. People distrust state narratives. When NASA officials admit to editing or composing images, conspiracy-minded folks see this as a cover-up. If NASA is hiding something in plain sight, what else are they hiding? Second, the slick nature of NASA's work makes it easy to accuse them of fakery. They create beautiful CGI imagery and claim it's real. People ask, how do we know it's real? Third, symbolism. Snakes, hidden meanings, and the Hebrew nasha link feed suspicion. Every coincidence fuels the fire. And fourth, the US government has a history of covering up things. MKUltra, the Manhattan Project, COINTELPRO, the Martin Luther King assassination attempts, the Tuskegee syphilis experiment. These are dark chapters in American history. In light of this, Some people approach NASA with healthy skepticism. Should we trust the agency that landed astronauts on the moon, or the one that experimented on citizens without their knowledge? Which brings us to, is NASA actually hiding something? Did they land humans on the moon or not? Did they fake the moon landings or not? Do they control the ISS live feeds or not? Is Earth a globe or is it flat? Are there aliens visiting our planet or not? These questions drive the belief that NASA is lying to us. And who can say for sure that they're not? After all, we can't see most of space with our naked eyes. We rely on machines and images. So what do you think? Is NASA hiding something, or is it just doing science? If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to see more.